Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add parallax scrolling to your Wix website. Parallax is a classic design technique where the background moves slower than the foreground as you scroll, creating a sense of depth and professional polish. In the latest Wix editor, these steps are incredibly straightforward and relate directly to your background settings. First, you need to add a section or strip where you want the effect to appear. Click the plus icon on the left to add a new strip and place it on your page. Once a strip is in place, click on it and select Change Column Background or Change Strip Background. You will need to choose a high-quality image or a video that serves as your backdrop. The next connected step is applying the actual scroll effect. Once your background is set, look for the settings icon within that same background menu and click on it. You will see a section titled Scroll Effects. Here you have several options, but for the classic look, you want to select Parallax. This anchors the image so it glides at a different speed than your text and buttons. You can also experiment with the reveal or zoom in effects if you want something a bit more dynamic. The final step is ensuring your content stays readable. Since the background image will be moving, you should add an overlay pattern or a slight color tint to the image in the background settings. This creates enough contrast so your white or dark text remains easy to read as a user scrolls through the section. Always make sure to check your site in preview mode to see how the speed of the scroll feels and adjust the image positioning if the main subject of your photo is getting cut off. That is literally it. If this quick design tip helped you add some depth to your site, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to create a 3D tilt effect on your images next, and I will see you in the next video.